So guys, welcome back to another video of the series called Reviewing Games with Phantom Games. Yes, I have changed it from rating games. I have changed it to reviewing games. So today I'm going to review because I'm not rating like 4.5. I wouldn't like that. So today I'm going to be reviewing and playing this Mad City. As you can see here, when you type here Mad City, you discover and I will tell you how to find it. When you type my Mad City, so many Mad Cities games come like this. I will show you. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. But this first one, Mad City, you have to just click on this play button and it will get open. And you get three roles: police, heroes, and prisoners. As you can see on the screen, it will come. Some sky has come, so it will come. Police, hero, and prisoner. Obviously, prisoner has to escape from the prison, and the police has to send him back to the prison. And what heroes have to do is heroes need to protect the city from fire, flood, and etc. etc. things. So as you can see, it is loading, it is loading, it is loading, and I will show you. It is coming in a minute. Let's wait for it. And I like the role of police because, and I will going to maybe police today, hero tomorrow, and with that prisoner the next city. As you can see, prisoner, hero, and police. As soon as it loads, it shows police, heroes, or prisoner. First, I will show you the police. Okay, so first I will go over here and what's new it's showing. Yes, I'm going to cross it out and here we go. I'm here and what is this? There are pistol. This is a pistol. Let's take an MP5 and let's also take this gun. Some guns are lying on the floor. That's why I'm taking them. Some taser. But no, I have the taser. Which gun is this? Oh, Nerf Ray. It's a Nerf gun. Wow. In the game also Nerf gun. Help me please. Someone is in danger. Someone. 1 MP5. I need to shoot this criminals. How to shoot but? That's the question. Okay, I need to handcuff them. Talk. Okay. So we need to first talk them. How? Dab orange. I can teach you. Dab orange. Justice. Pump it. Flossing. Okay. So my game is lagging a little bit. Yeah. But now it is not lagging. Okay, so I was dead in the between. And now let's go from here. No, not to the prisoner. I will get out of here. I want to get over here. The door we get over here, and as you saw that prisoner, just handcuff them, but he was. So you got it, guys. And now the gun shop. Yup. So I will load my car. As you can see, M. Just press M. Your mobile gets open, and here mobile you need to just say spawn. And Camaro, such a weird name, car name, such a weird car name. And again press M. Your mobile gets disconnected. And E, enter driver. And for walking you can use arrow plus WASD, but for driving a car you should, or you can only use WASD. Such a weird thing. But why is not turning? Yup, it takes some time to respond. Am I on the wrong way? Yes, I'm on the wrong way. I need to take a U-turn and just go like this over from here to the main island. And what if I press control? Oh, some fire came out as you saw when I pressed the control button and something is wrong going to happen. Bam, bam, bam. Something was wrong going to happen here. But it didn't happen. That's good. So, let's go over here. And as I press control, something comes over here. And very, very. Okay, okay. And when I press control, you know what is happening? What is happening? What is happening? I got out of the car. Being a police is very a headache. So let's go and leave and again join. And I will be a hero this time, as I told hero tomorrow. But I have a lot of time now, so let's be hero. It take a lot of time to leave, join, and do everything. So let's go over here. Wasn't it opening? Okay, so the next video will be on being a prisoner. Yes, and the next video will be the smooth landing part. If the series of the smooth landing, I have uploaded 3 videos till now. Those are not seen, please go and see the 3 videos of that series and then come back to this video. Okay guys, but see this video first and then go to that video. Why is it not coming? It is again taking ages to load. Yes, finally it loaded. It got loaded. Yeah. And now 3 options will come obviously, and I will choose the hero one. Hero. This team is full. Why? Prisoner is boring. Hero is good. Okay, so I will be a prisoner and show it to you. Being a prisoner is very boring if you don't know how to escape. And see one more person. What? He escaped. Hey, we escaped. Really? We got escaped. The person with me had the lock key, I think so, something called lock key, and from that you can remove people. I will help the other people. Let's see where are the other people. No one else than us. Okay, so I'll just press M and spawn my car. I think I can't spawn. Yep, I can't spawn. And now here's the discussion table, and we need to just go out of here. What to do? If you go, just escape over here. From here, that side is a police area. Yeah, that side is a police area. And let's go from here and out from here. Utility and score. Soccer field. Wow. Is there anybody else? I need to just go out of this. Oh, I understand. I need to stay hidden and go from there. First, I need to take some guns. I think so. Yep. I need to take some guns and then escape from here. And someone else is also coming of 25 rank. Of 1 rank. Sad. But let's go over here. Soccer field. And we need to now take risk because we need to go inside the police department. That is very scary. But we don't need to. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Comms room means this is a communication room, I think so. Oh, it is not getting unlocked. What is this? Hello, police over there. Police. Did you saw that police? See, there. Over here where my mouse is. As you can see my mouse near this blue t-shirt. See, as you can see it here. Okay, so now we need to leave. We need to leave as fast as we can. As soon as we can. And let's go get out of here. Get from this way. I know the way to escape from here, but I didn't know how to open that lock, how to get the lock key and that part. Okay, I've got here. How to escape from here? Yup. Yeah, I think so I got the way. Is there any puddle over here? And I need to just escape from here, escape from here, escape from here. No, I can't escape, I'm jumping. I can't escape, I can't escape. Why? Oh, I think so this can help. Yeah, this can... this can help, I think so. Yes, we need to jump and go forward. Why? We need to jump. Hey, see, this is glitch. This is a glitch. I'm going underground, as you can see. See this glitch. And I'm about to go down again. That was a weird glitch. But I need to try to go up here. I think this tree can help me. Tree. I need to just climb up. No. See, again the glitch. I'm underground and going, I don't know anywhere. My hand is not anywhere, and I'm not pressing literally the arrow keys. I'm not pressing them. But when I play space bar, I don't know why isn't it working. Whoa. Yup. What happened just now? Yes. Now the glitch has gone. And I think so from here I can escape. But we came here from this way only, no? Yep. We came here from this way only. I think there is no way. Movie room. There is movie room and over here bathroom. Let's explore this. And nothing over here. Where is this going? Wow. And why would we watch a TV in this room? What is the problem of this? And I don't know if it is gents or blue. And let's go out. And let's explore here also. What is over here? I don't think so. Something is here. Wow. Oh. Wee. This is better, but there are no coverings over here. That's weird. Okay. And some machine is over here. Eee. Search garbage can. There is a garbage can. You found lockpick. This can be used to escape prison. Wow, I found lockpick in this dustbin. And I think that lock over there, you are in trouble for holding contraband. What is this contraband? Okay, I need to escape from here. That lock, did you saw over that red color? It was not being green. I think we need to use this only. Yep, over here. I think we don't need to use it over here. Is it the police? I have found a lockpick. So guys, this was only for this video. When I know how to do this from the lockpick, then I will tell you guys. Okay guys, bye guys, this was only for this